Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to your Sam's Club membership. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add someone to your Sam's Club membership. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Sam's Club membership. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Manage Memberships. So on this page here, click on Complimentary Membership. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and add someone to your Sam's Club membership. So go ahead and add their details and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add someone to your Sam's Club membership. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.